Today I will show you how you can send fax messages on your Realme 10 Pro Plus. So we have to start from downloading a fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Play Store. I choose the Easy Fax app. So we have to open it now. Add the permissions, and how you can see we are in the send fax mode. Now to choose the document, just click on this plus and choose source of your document. You can choose the image from the gallery, PDF from downloaded files, make a photo. I will take a photo now. How you can see now you can adjust the shape of your document, and if you're ready, click here. Now just choose the filter for your document to make it more visible. You can add a signature, text or a graffiti by these icons. And again, if you're ready, click here. And here you can see this is our document. Now just type the number, and optionally you can add a small note. If you want to add more documents, just click on the plus again and choose the next one. But if you want to send only this one, just use that button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.